One of the romantic dreams I have in relation to an adventure boat is to be able to drop anchor, fill your scuba tank on board of the boat, and then be able to go scuba diving in an unknown place. I've now come to a point where I have the battery capacity. The battery is now connected to the Lynx distributor, which in turn is connected to the Multiplus II. So that then has the output in AC that I need for the compressor. So I should now be able to hook all three up and I should be able to run a test. If I remembered correctly, all I need to do is connect the tank to the pressure hose, connect this one to the power source, start it up, and when I reach 100 bars, I can then open the tank valve and it will start to fill. And when it hits 232 bars, it should then auto shut down. And I can then close the valve and I can release the excess pressure from here. So let's give it a go. Okay, this is make or break. The battery is connected to the Lynx distributor, which in turn is connected to the servo and the Multiplus, and this is what we have on the screen. I'm now going to fire up the compressor and hopefully I'm not breaking anything. We'll find out. We can also see what the reading is on this screen whilst it's filling the tank. There goes nothing. I've stepped away a bit because it's so noisy. The tank seems to be filling fine. It's going to be interesting to see how much power or energy has been used after I've topped up this little 5-litre tank. In a real life scenario, I would probably run the generators at the same time to take a little bit of the load off the batteries. But yeah, so good so far. And the auto stop works as clockwork. 232, and it's turned itself off. We can then close the tank valve and we should be able to release any excess pressure. With that done, we should be able to remove the tank. What is interesting is that the battery state of charge, according to the servo, started at 100%. That wasn't really in sync with the battery, but I haven't synced it up. But it started at 100 and we're down to 97. So we've roughly taken only 3% of the single battery. Remember, I'm going to get another one as well to top up the 5-litre tank after a dive, which I think is fairly good. So I'm quite happy with that. And let's see what it says on the actual battery itself. So we're down to 94.0 state of charge. It was something 96 before, so that's about right. I would say that's a successful test. As you saw, it only took 3% of the state of charge of the single Seplos Mason 280 battery. So the primary battery pack will consist of 2 of those batteries. So that gives me an idea. I thought that it would take much more power from the battery to top up a tank, but apparently it doesn't, so that's a pleasant surprise. So yeah, happy with that. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you again soon. Take care.